Hi family, I just want to come to you today because I know we was just talking about poop in the last video. So I just want to do something refreshing and tell you guys about how to make your own poop pourri. So some good smelling, after you went and we done talked about it in the last video, I just want to teach you how to make your own poopery. So what you need is just some water, just a little bit of water. I have my spray bottle right here. I have my spray bottle, so make sure you have a spray bottle. You want some lemongrass essential oil, and you need some alcohol. You can use alcohol, you can use witch hazel, but today I'm going to use alcohol. You really want alcohol over 60%. I have 91% alcohol, so mine's a little stronger. So I'm just going to show you how to make some poopery instead of going out spending that $10, $15 on some poopery. I'm just going to show you how to make some poopery real inexpensive. It's easy to make. It probably, well, I'm just using the stuff in the house, so I already had alcohol. I do have witch hazel. I have plenty of essential oils. I have about every essential oil that you can name. I have it. So I have plenty of essential oils, and I have plenty of spray bottles. So just wanted to make some poopery for the house because I'm always buying, and I was like, look, it's time to save some money because what's going on now, we want to save some money, and it's always good to save some money. So what you could do, you want to get some water. Just make sure you have about a third cup of water. So I have third cup of water. Doesn't mean you got to worry about if it's clean, dirty. Just get you some tap water because that's what I have, some tap water. And you just want to use just 1 tablespoon of alcohol. So just pour 1 tablespoon of alcohol. I put too much, so I'm just gonna put that much. Pour it back in there. Just 1 tablespoon of alcohol. You don't really need that much. And you just need 10 drops of lemongrass. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can add your another. I just love lemongrass. I love the way it smells. You can add your own. You can actually add maybe 10 or 20 drops of lavender. I already used my lavender for my my other video, and I love it for my butter, so my butter lotion. But I'm not using lavender. I want to use some lemongrass. I love the way it smells. And that's all you have to do. So water. So all you need is a third cup of water, just a little bit of water. All I did was add a teaspoon of rubbing alcohol and 10 drops of lemongrass. And all I do is pour it into my container. Yep, just pour it right in my container. Easy breezy. And there you have it. And I just put it on top and I shake it. Shake it. And there you have it. Some poopery for the house. You can make some more, so it's really not that bad. And to make bigger bottles, I just thought it was cute. I bought like 40s from mom, so it wasn't that bad. So if you think of how much this costs, the alcohol probably cost me $2. So a teaspoon probably like what, 2 pennies. The bottle, 80 cent. And then I already had the essential oils, just 20 things essential oil. So this maybe cost me $3, $3 or $4. So I saved $5. So just think, you can make one for each bathroom and you don't have to worry about it. You can make it for your purse and you're fine. So just wanted to show you about some how to make potpourri or poopery for the house, to go to the bathroom, so nobody will know you went to do number two, to poop, and you want good health, so make sure you poop. All right, Herbalist Viola, just showing you how to save some money. Okay, bye.